Good morning, Elaine.
We're here to share another exciting week of learning with you. Key Stage 1, we've been working hard to work on our published recounts, and we've been collaborating on our canvases that show different moods.
In Low Key Stage 2, we've also been busy writing our lockdown diary entries, putting our finishing touches to our zesty art outcomes. We've also been developing our computing skills by filming and editing vlogs, which we look forward to sharing with you a little bit later on in this video.
But first, let's hear about our character skill of the week, which is empathy, by some of our students. So over to you guys.
Empathy is thinking about different people, putting yourself in other people's shoes. When we empathise, we think about how we make people feel. It can lead to better relationships.
We all experience different feelings in different situations. You might be sad, happy, excited, nervous or angry, but it's important that we respond correctly to other people feeling these emotions.
How can you show empathy? Show active listening. It's important to show you are listening with eye contact, body language, and building on someone's points to show them that you heard. We can also show empathy by understanding other people's viewpoints, even if they are not the same as ours. Let's look at some examples of people showing empathy. If I'm playing football with my team and someone gets injured, I make sure they are okay before carrying on the game. This shows I care, so it's me showing empathy. Another example with empathy is if you're in a lesson and it's a bit tricky for one of your friends, you might help them tackle a problem. Be a peer coach and show empathy that way. So how will you try and show empathy to your friends and family this week? We can't wait to see your examples. Make sure you tweet us.
Thanks for sharing, guys. Now it's time to celebrate our learning achievements from this week.
So it's over to Miss Swire and Miss Parren with the merits.
We've got lots of great learning to celebrate this week, starting with Kian in Onyx class. Miss Edwards would like to give you a merit for showing wonder in forest school by asking interesting questions about bird feeders. Well done, Kian.
Miss Parren would like to give Timmy and Sapphire a merit this week for demonstrating resilience when publishing his final outcome. Well done, Timmy.
Miss Edwards would like to give Buddy in Onyx class a merit for showing an incredible growth mindset towards maths learning this week by working well with his partner to solve doubling problems. Well done, Buddy.
Miss Parren is also giving Teddy and Hematite a merit this week for encouraging and coaching Year 2 when up-levelling their learning.
There's a merit here from Miss Green, and it's for Alyssa for always demonstrating the Elaine values and trying to do the best in all you do.
So Jack in Aquamarine, Miss Brake wants to give you a merit this week for always working hard to show the value of excellence and putting extra effort into his learning. Well done.
Miss Green would like to give Mikas a merit for showing the character skill of relationships by working collaboratively when performing speeches.
Mr Edwards would like to give Freddie in Oak class a merit this week for engaging really well in all of our whole class reading sessions by showing active listening. Well done.
Miss Swire would like to give Max in Amethyst a merit for showing the value of excellence when approaching your home learning and producing high quality outcomes like the Cosmic Dungeon.
Miss Johnson would like to give Leah in Pearl class a merit this week for demonstrating resilience by practicing her subtraction both in school and at home. Well done.
Miss Cook would like to give Leo in Elm class a merit for incorporating and developing his oracy skills learning in his manifesto and engaging the audience.
Miss Johnson would also like to give Merrin in Topaz a merit this week for demonstrating a positive mindset in the class Zoom call with her questioning.
Mr Stewart would like to give Quinlan in Ash class a merit for being really engaged with his learning this week and showing excellent effort when recapping division.
Mrs Midgley would like to give April in Opal a merit this week for using her imagination to share great ideas of what we might find in an enchanted forest and using these in our forest school.
Miss Hookie would like to give Aston from Tanzanite a merit for showing perseverance with his new rules manifesto and performing it with confidence.
Miss Acker would like to give Sasha in Aquamarine a merit this week for showing mature attitude to his learning and modelling all of the school values at all times.
Miss Ola would like to give a merit to Ronan, Tia, Maisie, Ruben, Kyle and Aman for demonstrating our value of excellence during the Zoom call. We are learning the concept of fractions.
And last but not least is Tyler and Aquamarine. Ms Lacker would like to give you a merit this week for showing resilience in writing a new rules manifesto. You persevered even when you found it challenging. Well done.
And now over to Year 2 and 3 who would like to share their vlog with you on social distancing games.
In PE, we have been participating in different activities at a sociable distance. This has inspired our Year 2 and 3 class to create their own games to play on the playground. They have created and edited their own vlog for you to see their favourite games. Over to Year 2s and 3s to show what they've been doing.
The first one's Buzzy Bee. This is a 5-star game. Everyone be doing. I put the letter K. Oh! The next game, 21. Next game is copyright cat.